Hey guys, and welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to see who liked you on Tinder. Now let's begin. Well, do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface, and right now we simply want to look at how to see who liked you on Tinder. Well, it's quite easy. At the bottom of the screens, you will find these few icons. I'm simply gonna go over them. This right here is Explore. Then I'm gonna click on this icon on the middle, that's like a star. And in this section, you're gonna be provided two options, likes and top picks. For now, what we need to do is stay on the first tab. As you can see, currently, no one has liked me. But in context that someone has done it, what you can do is simply click on See Who Likes You, the button right here. But do note that this is a Tinder Gold feature. Well, if you have subscribed to Tinder Gold, you can easily see them. I'm gonna try to click on this See Who Likes You button right here. And it's giving me something like this. Well guys, if you're simply subscribed to Tinder Gold, you can see who likes you on Tinder. It's quite easy. That's it for the video guys. If you like this video, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Until next time, thank you.